Hey, welcome to Demolition Drain Pipe. Surf's Up is similar to this level, but in Surf's Up, it's impossible to skip to the toboggan. And I'm skipping the toboggan in this level, because you don't have to ride the toboggan, and now you can skip it. It's just really, darn it, it's just really hard to do. Of course, you still have to avoid the buzzes, since you cannot destroy them without the toboggan, or barrels, or any animal buddies. I'm not gonna risk getting that banana. No siree. Oh well, at least I got a, darn it. At least I got a DK barrel. This is Jingle Bells halfway point. Jingle Bells is used in Rocket Rush in this version. I wonder why. Okay, in Surf's Up, you cannot skip the toboggan like you can in this level. And your goal is to jump over the obstacles. Because if you crash into an obstacle, you lose one of your cons. Collect the stars! This is like a collect the stars mission. And oh crap! I just jumped over the token. I wanted to get the token, but I jumped over it. I didn't die? Really? Wow. Holy cow, I never do that. Really? Well. I'll see you in Surf's Up.